you also see the viscosity? You can see how jelly, how creamy it is. So you can also use your brush. You just take some, then you welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is HBM Organic Beauty. So today I want to make a video, and this is natural skincare because I'm not doing pro-mixing video today. I know most of you here, you like pro-mixing, but yes, I have to blend in both of these tutorials, pro-mixing and natural skincare, because I cannot leave natural skincare. It's what I have fun in doing, like creating formulas, bringing them to life is what I love to do the most. And believe me, it really helps me a lot. It helps me become better, and me creating formulas from scratch, creating products, makes me a fulfilled formulator. So today I want to make a particular kind of mask. Take a good look at me, you'll see that I'm breaking out seriously. So whenever is getting closer to my monthly flow, I break out a lot, and I see that this thing is a kind of hormonal, and despite the fact I try to detox, I try to maintain my acne prone face, but it still happens. So most of the times my face gets good, most of the time it becomes bad in terms of me breaking out like this. So in case you see me someday, maybe you're seeing a very big boil on my face, just like this one is just going down. This one was actually very big. So it's just for you to know the degree to which I suffer acne. Yeah, it's far better. Like when I was, in my 20s, I know that it was way worse than this. So I noticed that one thing again, when you're advancing in age, probably after childbirth also, it tends to reduce. So now it has reduced, but whenever it's time for my monthly flow, it comes out. So that is why I am making a gel mask today, and this is actually in form of a cream, a gel, and it will exfoliate the skin. So I don't need to actually start scrubbing my skin, because you don't use hard scrub when you're having boils like this, when you're having popped up acne, pimples like this. So it's going down now, yeah, because I've been using some of my organics products on it. So it's far better, unlike in the last 2 days. So I'm making a gel cream, and this is actually a mask. It is also an exfoliating gel cream, and also it is good for acne prone skin. If you're having sunburn, you're having melasma, you can use this so that it will help in exfoliating and evening out your skin tone. You're having any kind of skin problem like ringworm, also this is also going to help, because I'm actually adding some antibacterial, anti-inflammatory organic powders into it. So just watch the video to the end. You can also make this formula for yourself, for your clients, or for anybody. Okay, so do not forget our skincare class is ongoing. Yes, I private train these days. I do my online skincare class privately. I don't do group classes anymore, because believe me, people are wicked. I have really learned a lot of lesson from people. They take your videos or your artwork, they spread it all over. Some people will just gather in a group, they contribute 100 naira, they come and buy a particular recipe from you in the name of coming to train. They go and distribute it to 1,000 people in a group. So many things have happened. So I do private training these days. I don't do group training anymore, and I also do physical private training. So yes, if you're up to the task, you want to learn, you want to do what I'm doing, of course you can just send me a WhatsApp message to the number you're seeing up on the screen. So let me just take you to the table. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share my video. So for my gelling face, I'll be needing my Xantha gum. Okay, I am using Xantha gum. You can use Carboma, but Carboma does not really gel properly in an acidic environment, but Xantha gum, yeah, can still tolerate an acidic environment. And for this exfoliating gel cream or gel mask I am formulating right now, it will be acidic because I'm actually using aha here. So I'll be adding in my xantha gum in here. So here is my xantha gum. Okay, so next I'll be adding in my glycerin. I'll stir this properly. So I'll be setting this aside. So I just added in my distilled water here. So I'll be dropping on the measurement on the screen. So next I'm going to be adding in another of my water soluble active in here. Next I'll be adding in my glycolic acid. Here's my glycolic acid, and this is 70% concentration. Okay, so I'll be adding in 7.5%. I know most of you will come and say, oh, HBM, why is it not too much? Yes, this is not 100% glycolic acid. It has been diluted with water, so there's no way I can say I want to use 5% of this. That means I'm not using up to 5% of it, because this is actually 70% concentrated. So to get exact 5% of the glycolic acid I need, I'm going to use this as 7.5%. So if you're new to formulation, you may not understand, but gradually you will. So in here I have my white willow bark extract. So I'm going to be adding in my extract in here. So here is my turmeric powder. So I'm going to add in my turmeric powder here. So in here I have my Jamal Plus preservative. So I'm going to stick blend it. So next I'm going to pour in my xantha gum. Is hydrating already, so I'm just going to pour this here. I'll be adding gradually, and at the same time I'll be stick blending. So at this point, can you see how gelling it is? Like, you can see how jelly it is. So I'm going to use my spoon or use my spatula, then I'll do the next thing. So just make sure you watch. This spoon is always in my formulation room, so please do not go and use spoon you used to eat to do this. Okay, I feel so comfortable using the spoon. All right, you see the way this is looking like. It is looking so creamy, right? So I'm going to take the pH of this right away. Yeah, so this is actually on point. This is actually on pH 3.5, exactly where I want it to be. Here's our gel exfoliating face mask. If you know you're having redness on your face, this is your best option. If you know you're having acne, this is your best option. If you know you have a very sensitive skin, you cannot use hard exfoliants like sugar scrub, salt scrub, or any other hard dried scrub. Please use this. This is your best option for your face. This is a facial gel. It is a facial exfoliating face gel or face mask. So to use this scrub, you just scoop some and massage. Okay, you massage and leave it on for 20 minutes, then you can wash it off. So you can also use your brush. You just take some, then you spread over your face, okay, and leave it on for 20 minutes to dry, then you wash off, and that is just it. So use this twice in a week, all right, twice in a week. But if you have a very sensitive skin, your skin is very, very sensitive, please, you can use once in a week, but this is actually going to help exfoliate your face, your skin. If you're using this, you don't need to use any kind of scrub on your face anymore. All right, so thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in my next video, and let me go and start using my scrub. Bye.